Ever heard the saying, what you focus on, you manifest? Well, get ready to manifest some serious wealth as we explore the powerful connection between your thoughts, your financial journey, and your desires. We're about to explore a fascinating connection that holds the key to unlocking your desired outcomes. It's all about how your focus shapes the path to financial achievement and influences your overall mental well-being. If you're eager to discover the hidden links that drive success, stick around, because we're about to embark on a journey of discovery and understanding. Let's get started. But wait, there's more. If you're hungry for knowledge and eager to supercharge your financial game, you're in for a treat. We've assembled a curated collection of literary brilliance. 6 finance books that hold the potential to transform not only your mindset but your bank account as well. These aren't your ordinary how-to guides. They're like golden tickets to a world of financial mastery. Get ready to jump into the wisdom of these books, each one a key that can unlock doors to abundance and prosperity. So, stick around because we're about to unveil the ultimate reading list that could reshape your financial future. Number 1. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book isn't just a roadmap, it's a treasure map, complete with 13 life-altering steps that can lead you towards the riches you've always envisioned. At the heart of Think and Grow Rich lies a profound philosophy, the idea that your thoughts hold the power to shape your reality. Napoleon Hill spent 25 years studying the wealthiest individuals of his time, extracting their secrets and distilling them into a 13-step formula that anyone can follow. These steps aren't just theoretical musings. They're practical actions that have the potential to transform your life. From cultivating a burning desire to mastering the art of autosuggestion, Hill's insights are a powerful toolkit for those seeking abundance. But here's the exciting part. Think and Grow Rich isn't stuck in the past. Its relevance is as potent today as it was when it was penned. Modern success stories like those of Bill Gates and Steven Spielberg serve as living proof of the principles outlined by Hill. These visionary individuals, along with many others, have harnessed the core concepts of Think and Grow Rich to propel themselves to unparalleled heights. Their achievements mirror the very principles Hill discovered through his extensive research. Number 2, The Millionaire Next Door. This book isn't about the flashy lifestyles of the rich and famous. It's a revealing look at the unassuming millionaires who might just be living right next door. The Millionaire Next Door identifies 7 remarkable traits that are shared by those who have amassed significant wealth. But here's the twist. Most of these financially savvy individuals aren't occupying lavish mansions on the ritzy side of town. They're your everyday neighbors, the ones you wouldn't suspect of holding secret keys to financial success. Imagine strolling down your street, passing by the friendly faces you see every day, and realizing that some of them are actually millionaires in disguise. These are the folks who understand the power of frugality, smart investments, and living below their means. While the media may dazzle us with tales of opulent extravagance, The Millionaire Next Door brings us back to reality. The reality of millionaires who are quietly building their wealth one well-thought-out decision at a time. So the next time you're at a neighborhood block party, don't be surprised if you find yourself mingling with secret wealthy neighbors. Who knew that the unassuming couple across the street could be holding the keys to a financial kingdom? Number 3, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. If you've ever been tempted by get-rich-quick schemes that promise the moon but leave your wallet empty, this book is about to become your reality check and your roadmap to a genuine financial facelift. Let's face it, we've all been bombarded by those flashy infomercials and online ads that promise overnight riches. But here's the wake-up call. Most of those promises are nothing more than pie-in-the-sky fantasies that can leave you with more confusion than cash. That's where the Total Money Makeover steps in, armed with a no-nonsense approach that cuts through the noise and lays down a clear-cut plan for financial transformation. Dave Ramsey isn't here to sugarcoat or spin tales. He's here to deliver a financial reality check that you can take to the bank. The Total Money Makeover provides a step-by-step guide for ditching the myths and embracing a practical, results-driven strategy. Say goodbye to the allure of shortcuts and say hello to a surefire plan for paying off debt, recognizing dangerous money myths, and securing a solid financial future. Imagine finally breaking free from the cycle of false promises and empty pockets. With Dave Ramsey as your guide, you'll learn how to create a financial foundation that's built on solid principles, not empty gimmicks. Number 4, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. This book isn't just about dollars and cents. It's a deep dive into the very fabric of your financial success, your money blueprint. It's like the intricate wiring of your financial mindset, silently influencing your decisions, actions, and ultimately, your bank account. Think of it as the hidden software that dictates how you think and feel about money. And here's the kicker. This blueprint can either propel you towards abundance or hold you back in a cycle of scarcity without you even realizing it. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind isn't just about amassing wealth. It's about rewiring your mental circuitry to align with success. Ecker guides us through the process of identifying and reshaping our money blueprint, enabling us to adopt the mindset of millionaires. Picture the possibilities when you're equipped with a money blueprint that champions prosperity and growth. It's like upgrading your financial GPS to navigate towards riches, no matter where you currently stand. Number 5, I will teach you to be rich. Ramit Sethi has been hailed as a modern-day wizard when it comes to personal finance. And for good reason. His insights and strategies have helped countless individuals transform their financial lives. And he's here to guide you through a straightforward 6-week program that packs a punch. I will teach you to be rich isn't about empty promises or complicated jargon. It's a practical roadmap that takes you by the hand and leads you step by step towards financial success. Imagine having a personal mentor who breaks down complex financial concepts into easily digestible bites. Ramit's program covers everything from automating your finances to optimizing credit cards and investments, all designed to propel you towards a richer life. Ramit's magic lies in his ability to simplify the seemingly overwhelming world of finance, making it accessible to everyone. His 6-week program is like a spell that empowers you to take control of your money, banishing financial stress and welcoming abundance. Number 6, Money Master the Game. Robbins doesn't just offer advice. He presents a 7-step blueprint that could be your ticket to securing financial freedom. Tony Robbins is no stranger to inspiring individuals to reach their full potential. And with Money Master the Game, he turns his attention to the world of wealth building. His goal? To equip you with the tools and knowledge needed to navigate the intricate maze of finance and emerge victorious. Money Master the Game isn't just another finance book. It's a strategic guide that aims to demystify the principles of wealth creation. With expert advice catering to readers of every income level, this book breaks down complex concepts into actionable steps. Tony's 7-step blueprint is like a treasure map leading to the ultimate prize: financial security and freedom. It's a path designed to help you create a lifetime income plan, ensuring that you're not just chasing riches, but building a solid foundation for your financial future. Imagine having Tony Robbins as your personal guide through the financial labyrinth. His insights and strategies are grounded in real-world success stories, proving that his principles hold true across time and economic landscapes. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the world of financial wisdom and manifestation magic. We've delved into treasure maps of riches, uncovered millionaire secrets, and even rewired our money blueprints. But remember, knowledge is power only when put into action. As we wrap up this laughter-infused financial adventure, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you for joining us. Your support fuels our passion to bring you more valuable content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a moment of our inspiring and empowering journey together. Until next time, may your wallets be full and your dreams be even fuller. Happy reading, and here's to a life of financial abundance.